Hello everyone, this is your weather on the fly outlook for Friday, March 15, 2024. Heavy snow will expand and intensify across the Four Corners this weekend, and is likely to redevelop over the southern Rockies on Sunday. Strong to severe thunderstorms along with excessive rainfall chances will continue across portions of southern Texas. An upper ridge will promote increasing heights and above-average temperatures for the northwest this weekend, with high temperatures in the 60s and 70s. Be sure to share, like, and subscribe for future daily weather outlooks.